Hi there, welcome to SNR Investor, where we trade support and resistance. In this video, we will talk about the 4 simple investing goals to get you started. And this will help you to avoid many costly mistakes throughout your investing journey. In this video, you will learn how to start investing well with these simple goals. And this will help you to avoid time wasting and costly mistakes. Also, these are the advice that I would want to have when I started my first investment. Goal number 1. Don't chase price. This is when you start to see a price start to move higher and higher, and then you start to think, wow, this is such a good investment. I should have bought earlier, but why not buy now as well? Since it's going higher, maybe it's a good investment. Well, the number 1 reason why you do not want to chase price is because false break reversal is very common. Here, for example, you start to see that price is going higher and it has broken above the resistance. So you think to yourself, wow, it's such a good investment. I might have missed the opportunity to invest. What if the price go higher and higher? I should start to invest now. So you start to buy after it have broken above the resistance. Then next, this happened. Oops, price starts to go on a downtrend after it have broken above the resistance. Now it's below the same resistance that it has broken and you are in the red. Now you start to see the investment that you put in earlier at the higher price is in the red. Goal number 2. Learn to buy low and sell high. So what this means is to learn to buy when price is low and to sell when price is high. Buying low and selling high might sound very simple, but this is where it gets really tricky when you begin to invest. It's very common that many people buy high and sell low. So one way you can learn to practice buying low and selling high is to learn the SNR way to invest. This includes learning how to dollar cost average by reducing your risk if you buy very high to average down to buy it lower, and how you can use support and resistance that you yourself identify to set boundaries whereby you buy and you sell. So if you are interested, you can check out the Support and Resistance Investor Essential Tutorials playlist in the description below. Goal number 3. Have patience. So this is very important. You cannot buy one day and hoping that the price would have made a big move the next day. You need to have patience to wait for a long time if price do not move any direction. So for example, here you can see that price is moving in a sideways price movement for many months, and you might start to get bored with this investment, thinking that this is not going anywhere. But you need to have patience if you decided to invest in this particular asset, and to be able to wait many months for your investment to play out. So what happened next is that after many months of going sideways, price finally broke the resistance and it goes up, up and up in only 5 months. And this can only be captured if you have waited over this long period of consolidation, price going sideways. Last but not least, the most important goal of them all, goal number 4, be consistent. This means you need to learn how to repeat goal number 1 to 3 consistently. This will ensure that you practice good investing behavior and habits that will ensure that you have a long and prosperous investment journey. So now you have learned the 4 simple goals to get started investing. This will help you to avoid the costly mistake and begin to grow your investments. If you like what you have heard, please give this video a like and subscribe to receive future updates from SNR Investor. Learn more at SNR Investor. Thank you and goodbye.